Hey friends, welcome back to the CEO magazine. Today we have got an exciting topic for you, budding entrepreneurs. We will walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide on building a profitable e-commerce store from scratch. Whether you are a seasoned business owner or just starting, this video has valuable insights to set you on the path to success. So let's dive in. Step 1. Market research. The first key to building a successful e-commerce store is through thorough market research. You must identify your target audience, understand their needs, and analyze your competition. This step will help you to carve out a niche and create a unique value proposition that sets you apart. Tools like Google Trends and social media insights can be beneficial in this phase. Step 2. Selecting your niche and products. Once you have gathered your research, it's time to pick a niche and decide your products you will sell. Make sure you choose a niche aligns with your passion and expertise. Research trending products within your niche and focus on the items that can solve a problem or fulfill a desire. Quality and relevance are the key here. Crafting your brand. Brand is the heart of your e-commerce business. Create a memorable brand name, logo, and color scheme that resonate with your target audience. Your brand identity should reflect the values and personality of your store. Consistently across your websites, your packaging, and social media that will help you to establish a strong brand presence. Building your online store. Now comes the exciting part. Building your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make this process relatively straightforward. Choose a user-friendly template, customize it and match with your brand, and optimize on a mobile responsiveness. Your website's layout, navigation, and product pages should be a user-centric and easy to navigate. High quality content creation. Engaging content is the lifeblood of your e-commerce store. Create high quality product images and description that showcase the benefits of each item. You can also incorporate videos, customer reviews, and interactive elements to enhance the user experience. Remember, the more information you provide, the more confident your customer will purchase your product. Setting up secure payment gateways. When it comes to the online shopping, security is paramount. Integrate secure payment gateways to ensure your customers' financial information is protected. Offer a variety of payment options to cater at different preferences. SSL certificates and encryption protocols are a must to establish trust and credibility. Implementing effective marketing strategies. You have built the store. Now you need customers. Implement a multi-phased marketing strategy to drive traffic to your online e-commerce site. Utilize social media marketing, email campaigns, influencer collaboration, and search engine optimization techniques to increase your online visibility and attract potential buyers. Providing exceptional customer service. Exceptional customer service can make or break your e-commerce business. Respond promptly to your customer inquiries. Offer hassle-free returns and exchanges, and ensure transparent communication throughout the buying process. Happy customers not only become your repeat buyers but also your brand advocates. Analyzing and adopting. As your e-commerce business grows, it's essential to analyze your performance continuously. Use analytics tools to track sales, conversion rates, and customer behavior. This data will help you identify strengths, weakness, and opportunities for improvement. Be ready to adopt your strategies based on these insights. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a profitable e-commerce store from scratch. Remember, success in e-commerce takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn from your experiences. So don't be afraid to take a plunge. Keep refining your strategies and watch your business flourish. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. And thanks for watching, and best of luck on your e-commerce journey. See you in the next video. Until next, thanks a lot. Thank you very much.